Hello, viewers. Today's discussion relationship, marriage, friendship. There are so many points to be covered in this topic, under this topic. Let's try to go for some of them. When I say relationship, a big problem these days, what is the karak, significators for relationship? If it's a male native, if it's a female native. My viewers, let me make things very clear. I need to see the planetary combination. I need to see its position with Jupiter as a Jiva Lagan. I need to see its natal house position. If you want to learn the astro concepts, you need to understand all these three layers. You need to understand all these three layers. At present, I am only discussing the planetary combinations. At present, I am only discussing or I am only considering the planetary combination. They even give the results. They are also very important. So, with context to the planetary combination. First point. Second point, my viewers, with male point of view or female. If I go for both, it will be a very long video. I'll be coming up with these as well. At present, let's consider the female's chart, the relationship in the female's chart. A female native comes and she wants to know the relationship with her husband, or she wants to know the relationship aspect of not only with her husband, with herself, or in general with the other females, or the relationship issue of the husband. So, my viewers, when I say female chart, the Karak factors or the significator as per the planetary combination is Mars. Mangal energy. Mars energy is the male energy to that female. अगेन माय व्यूअर्स, मैं बार बार अपनी वीडियोस में, अपनी क्लासेस में, अपने डिस्कशंस में आई कम अप विद द पॉइंट, यू कैन नॉट स्टार्ट विद भृगुनंदी नाड़ी विदाउट नोइंग द बेसिक्स or the backbone of Bhrigunandi Nadi, that is friendship and enemies, in which this section is to be taken very seriously. These are the supportive parts. These are the supportive planets. And today I'm taking the base as Mars. बिकॉज मैं फिलहाल फीमेल नेटिव में मार्स के एटीट्यूड को डिस्कस कर रहा हूं. एनी ऑफ द फीमेल्स यू वाचिंग माय वीडियो, you want to know or you want to cross check the male energy in your life, I can say husband. फ्रेंडशिप अगर आएगी तो मैं हिंट दे देता हूं, the role of Mercury is also to be considered. The role of Mercury is also to be considered. Sir, in a particular chart, I observed Mars hemmed between Venus energy of a female chart and a Mercury on the other side. Definitely problems in relationship due to some friendship in the society or in the same community. Why I've said same community, I'll consider those factors as well with respect to houses. So, फिलहाल start करते हैं with respect to Mars. Now, my viewers, when I say Mars, observe each and every aspect. Mars, Mercury, enemy sign. Mars, Saturn, Mars, Ketu, challengers. Mars, Venus. a positive aspect with respect to Jiva, but with respect to non-Jiva factors, things are different. मैं अपने वीडियोस में व्यूअर्स बार बार ये कह रहा हूँ, when you want to learn Bhrigu, you link up the planets. Don't say good, bad, friendship, enmity. You have to see with what aspect. With what aspect. Sun, Saturn, one of the very strong example. Sun, Saturn, professional life में name and fame देगा. It's a non-जीवा factor. But relationship में problem देगा. So relationship में problem मतलब father and son, SON son. So Sun, Saturn एक one of the very strong examples है positive plus negative. वैसे ही Mars, Venus. Now I'm talking of relationship. When I'm talking of relationship, so viewers, step by step. I can show you this in my chart, but first take the basics. Mars, if in any of the female chart, is conjunct with Venus. And when I say conjunction, it's 159. It's 212 relation. You have to follow all the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi conjunctions. Obviously, the strongest is 1, followed by 159, 180 degrees. These are the strong conjunctions. So when I say Mars with Venus, a relationship of Mars with Venus definitely promises relationship. So this relationship leads to marriage. Role of Sun is to be taken into consideration, but definitely other factors. If you link up, if I come up with so many points, so I'll be out of the topic today. So it's a relationship. It's a bonding between male and female. So there's a marriage. I've seen a native with Mars, Venus in the same house or in the same trine. Definitely a very good bondage. Mind you, Ketu involved नहीं है. Mind you, Saturn involved नहीं है. I'm coming with some more points. Now, second case, it's Mars with Saturn. Mars, Saturn, though not showing the friendship as a natural significator, but Saturn is Karam Karak. Saturn is action oriented. Marriage promised. Mars, Saturn, marriage promised, but with delay. Even after marriage, so we are finding disputes. We are finding problems. So do we have remedies? I've got a very significator based remedies, which is not a part of this video. That's a part of my consultation. So Mars, Saturn versus Mars, Venus. मनिंदर सर इसमें मार्स जुपिटर को नहीं लेंगे. इफ फीमेल चार्ट में मार्स जुपिटर का रिलेशन है, देन in the journey of that female, a male energy is along. A male energy is along, चाहे वो उसका छोटा भाई है. So that's different. That's different. Now let's get back to this point. Mars, Venus, a healthy relationship, early marriage, committed. Mars, Saturn, marriage is promised, but that particular marriage, obstacles, Saturn delay, and even after marriage, some disappointment, some misunderstanding, something which will not make you that satisfaction, not give you that satisfaction. Now example changes. I can show you in the chart, but first take my concept because these are all the parts of research. मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में कहा था my viewers, blending of energies, don't take it lightly. When I say blending of energies, there was a chart in which there was Mars-Saturn relation. Mars-Saturn relation. But the marriage didn't delay. So can we define the word delay? Yes, around 30 plus. ठीक है. Desh Kal Patra is something, the part which cannot be ignored. But Mars-Saturn relationship was very strongly seen in that chart. Still, it was an early marriage. Still, it was an early marriage. My viewers, मैं कह रहा हूं blending of energy because it was Mars-Saturn, but Saturn was conjunct with Jupiter. So see, सैटर्न कैसा है आपका? अगर सैटर्न जुपिटर के कंजंक्शंस को लेकर आया है तो आपके जो डिलेज हैं वो या तो कम हो जाएंगे, खत्म हो जाएंगे, या बड़े फ्रूटफुल डिलेज होने वाले हैं. यू कैन नॉट टेक थिंग्स lightly. Jupiter is the biggest of the blessings. So take the punches, take the keywords, but when it comes to analysis, there are so many points to be observed. Blending of energies. एक डाउट आप लोगों का बड़ा कॉमन कि सर 2 planet combinations, 3 planet combinations को कैसे देखते हैं, 4 planet combinations को कैसे देखते हैं. I'll show you, I'll come up with those videos as well. Because आप जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हो प्लैनेट्स को, एवरी प्लैनेट हैज गॉट एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन इट्स सक्सेसिव प्लैनेट followed by the next planet. So that planet is not showing an independent action of its characteristics. It is already controlled by another planet. So take the basics strongly. Take the basics strongly. So Mars, Venus, Mars, Saturn. Now Mars, Ketu. My viewers, Ketu is again a suppressive energy, to Mars. Maninder sir, what do you mean by suppressive energy? Take its contrary behavior with Mars Rahu. It's a blast. It's a blast. Mars Ketu, sir, husband के साथ relationship mature नहीं हुई, even ending with the divorce or the ending of relationship. Yes, but please किसी के चार्ट में इतनी जल्दी डोंट कम अप विद द कंक्लूजन. मार्स केतु, मार्स केतु होते हुए भी रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रॉन्ग था. व्हाट इज केतु? केतु इज कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, एनालिटिकल. केतु इज लिटिगेशन. द हस्बैंड वाज लिंक्ड टू दीज टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोफेशंस, एंड कहीं ना कहीं जुपिटर का लिंकेज मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स मार्स केतु होते हुए भी रिलेशनशिप में ब्रेक नहीं है, बिकॉज केतु के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वर यूज्ड इन अ पॉजिटिव मैनर along with the Mars energy. A native comes to me with Mars Ketu and the female commits, सर मेरे हस्बैंड तो बिल्कुल साधु कैटेगरी है, बिल्कुल साधु कैटेगरी है, मतलब ही इज वेरी लाइक लेट गो कैटेगरी. So relationship is not only surviving, it's surviving successfully. हमने बुक्स में या हमने एकदम देख लिया मार्स के तो मतलब रिलेशन टूट जाएगा. नो माय व्यूअर्स, टेक सम टाइम. रेमेडीज ऑटोमेटिकली काम करती हैं अगर जुपिटर सपोर्ट कर जाए. इट्स यू विल टेक सम टाइम. जुपिटर्स की प्लेसमेंट को लाइटली मत लेना माय व्यूअर्स इन एनी ऑफ द चार्ट्स. मार्स राहु, इट्स अ ब्लास्ट. बट राहु इज व्हाट? आप लोग एक लाइन पढ़ लेते हो, राहु इज फॉरेन. टू बी मोर प्रिसाइज, फॉरेन तो है ही, अपार्ट फ्रॉम फॉरेन इट्स डिफरेंट कल्चर. अब मार्स राहु में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? द हस्बैंड इज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कल्चर. Automatically the remedy works. Automatically the remedy works. So these are the few examples how to check the relationship in female chart considering Mars and Mars के साथ various aspects. I will be showing you all this in my charts, in my examples as well for the time being. First, cross check these things, and if you find any discrepancies, you can follow me on my WhatsApp messages only. They are all linked up. I can again write up here 7302776077. I'm open for the consultations as well, and definitely a deep research, which I'm planning to go for a very strong research element, and I'll come up with further videos of the same. Thank you, viewers.